peace seekers present to you a poem entitled Cry for the Far East, a poem inspired by our deep yearning for the unification of the Korean Peninsula. Cry for the Far East, cry for the Far East. Like the African saying goes, it takes the whole village to raise a child. So, it takes the whole world to unite the Korean Peninsula. Come, my brothers, come, my sisters, from all religions, all races, all nations, from the north, from the east, from the south, and from the west. Cry for the Far East. Once the Korean Peninsula is united, then and only then can the whole world be united. The key to world unification starts with the unification of North and South Korea. The battle between good and evil, between brothers and sisters, between mothers and daughters, between fathers and sons, between nations and nations, ends with the unification of the Korean Peninsula. Cry for the Far East. Our brothers and sisters in the Far East have been separated for far too long. Let us come together to help unite mothers and daughters, fathers and sons, grandparents and grandchildren, husbands and wives. Let the Korean Peninsula be united. Cry for the Far East. Enough suffering, enough pain for our brothers and sisters in the Far East. Time is running out. Come, my brothers, and come, my sisters. Now is the time. Love for the Far East, dance for the Far East, sing for the Far East, pray for the Far East. Come, my brothers, come, my sisters. Let us unite with the Mother of Peace to end the cries of the Far East.